Okay, so this is Jerry, and he's a normal human being. And this is Bob, and he's a monster. This guy likes eating people, and this guy likes flying planes, which he has here. This is mine. Stop cutting down trees!
My name is Zaki. This is my character, Bob Mikey Jr. His message for the world is that don't do a rough and coarse act without thinking it through. You always have to think about what you are doing to know that if you are just doing it for your happiness and not for others as well. He likes to, he likes eating eggs because he literally looks like an egg with his head.
This is Matthew, this is Mildred, and this is Molly. Mildred likes parachuting on leaves. Molly likes digging. Matthew likes running. Don't pick flowers unless you're doing something kind.
I'm Kira, and this is Freddie, and this is Lily. Freddie likes nature and Lily likes having friends, and the moral of this story is to be kind to friends and people.
My name's Eleanor, and this is Lucy, and she's living in a forest with a cottage. She likes that you should be kind to the environment and look after it, because there's one world.
My name is Leon, and in my video I'm showing what the human population is doing to nature, destroying something that we rely on. So let's just stop destroying nature.
My name's Leia. This one is Mia, and she likes flowers. She says stop pulling trees, leaves off the trees. So my name's Olivia, and my character is Sophie, and she likes dancing, and she wants to say to protect the homes of animals and insects, also birds.
Hi, my name is May, and my character is called Rosie, and she likes nature, and Rosie wants to stop cutting trees down.
My name is called Millie, and I like the colour blue, and stop cutting down trees.
My name is Irie, and this is Daisy Flower Girl, and she likes animals. Please don't chop down all the trees.
My name is Toby, and I have made Leo the Leaf. He likes to walk. The message for the humans is protect the environment